squint just a little bit. The squint and the smize. Much better. Think about biting into that big bite of angel hair pasta.
Oh my, you just make me laugh, bro.
The chicken Alfredo.
Oh yeah.
See how they'll go to the last one? It's a little smile. So Grace already tore the paper. I have told her to exit the premises.
No, please don't. Look, brand new, fresh, clean. Brand new.
Yeah, I mean, it's all right. It's all right. I've seen better tape jobs, but you know, that's okay. So,
That will do.
what are you doing?
Tap dance. I'm happy to be here.
So this is my assistant. This is what she does. This is my model that we're doing. What are we doing today? Digitals?
We're doing digitals.
Okay.
Aren't you excited?
I'm excited, yeah. Are you excited?
I'm very excited.
All right. So I've got the white paper out. I've got...
This thing's awesome!
Digitals means usually skinny jeans, fitted jeans, right? A white or black fitted top. Tank top usually works real well. If you come in and look at her, she has no makeup on. Usually the people looking at her comp cards, they want to see her as she is. They want to see a blank palette to see what they have to work with.
The canvas.
Right? Exactly. Some people they'll opt with an MUA to, do a real light natural makeup. I would say don't even do that. And if you're a photographer, the only thing you're going to edit really is any blemishes. So anything that's temporary, like a little bump here or there, that's really all you're going to edit, right? And then if you screw up the exposure or something, obviously you're going to want to do that. Most digitals are shot against white paper. I've seen some on gray. It doesn't have to be perfection. Some people want a bright white blown out backdrop. I don't think that's necessary for digitals. It's really more about the model, right? And just on a plain light colored background, usually white. So from my lights, over here, I'll probably move this into place a little closer. I've just got the Westcott 6-foot umbrella.
Have you always
so
had
it's
this?
Massively huge. Yes, it rolls up like an umbrella.
Thing is a satellite.
Yeah, exactly. It takes up a lot of room, so you need to have
a lot of room.
Some room to do this. But I've shot with this in smaller rooms. It just takes up the whole space.
Mm-hmm.
And the reason I'm using this is I want just a real soft light on her, and I want coverage, right, of the whole body. And then over here, I don't even remember what this is. It's a glow soft box. It's a 12 by 56. I don't use it a lot because it also takes up, look how wide this is. It takes up a lot of space, but it does provide that head to foot coverage. And if you notice, I don't have any grids on. Usually grids will focus the light. I really want the light just to go all over the scene so it really lights the backdrop and makes it a little wider for me. If you're not doing that, and like I say, we pull her off the backdrop more, it'll get more and more gray. So I want the light to really hit the backdrop. I don't need it to be blown out perfect white, but I do want it to be white. That's just my preference. So lights are an 80. This is a Flashpoint Explorer 400 Pro TTL, and the other one's an 80 Godox 8300. And I don't have a light meter, so I'm just going to dial it in. They're on manual. I'm just going to dial them in manually, and that's pretty much it. Any questions? Did you learn anything?
I learned a lot.
All right. Veronica is watching and learning. Grace is ready to go. So we're going to play some Smashing Pumpkins.
Smashing Pumpkins.
Just relax. I'm just going to dial in the lights here. And so what would help is if I had a trigger.
Oh, that would be very, very, very helpful.
Test shot. I'm at 1/4 on A. And I mean, it looks good just with, I don't know if you can see that. 1/4 power. I'm at, what am I at on the settings? I'm at 6.3, 1200 shutter, ISO 125. And this is what I get just with the umbrella. There we go. And I mean, honestly, I could leave it just like that. Or maybe I'll just give a little fill light behind her. And boom, that's just gonna light up the hair. It's very subtle. Let me turn off this one. Are you getting all this? So we're just having that light back there in the back, which is that one over there. Yeah. And that's what it looks like. So I'm getting a little fill on the hair and on the arm, all right? And I'll turn the A light back on. 1/4 and 1/8 on my power. And come forward just a little bit. And that is pretty much, we're good to go. And then I'm monitoring over here just so I can, you know, have a second monitor besides my little screen, a little bit bigger. This one is not a good monitor. This one's dialed in, so. Looks real good to me. All right, so. So we'll start out. I like the hair. All right, can I fix it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right.
It's been giving me grief today.
No, I just wanted the part that was sticking out. I like the body and the hair. All right.
Oh no.
There we go. All right. It's like. All right. All right. What do you got sticking out in the back here? Is that part of the boot? Can you see if you can fix that, Veronica? There. There's like that one right there. Yeah. So I noticed, yeah, it's better. That way I don't have to Photoshop that out in every shot.
Yep. I'll get my eye out on that.
All right. So let's do head to toe first. Okay. So your spot will be about right here.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm doing head to toe. And I have plenty of room, right? So change up the arms a little bit for me, just different. Yes, there you go. Perfect. Yep. Very good, very good. So we got like, yes, good. This is really like, honestly, all we need for the front full body. If you want to turn 45 degrees, what's your side? That way, yeah. So turn 45 degrees for me, just so I can get, looks like that, yeah. Good. And then just switch up the arms again for me just a little bit, and don't look straight here, look kind of over. I want to get sort of the 45-degree angle of your face. All right. Okay. A little bit more that way. There you go. All right. Okay. Got those. Let's go. Want you looking over towards this camera right here. Okay. So face this way. A little bit more right here. You're looking right that way. And honestly, I don't know if we need all these, but if someone asks, you'll have them, right? Okay, now eyes to the camera. There you go. Okay, so let's do like side profile, looking straight that way. Body is that way. Yeah. We can do hair behind the ears and hair over the ears. You know, honestly, I don't know the answer to that question. I guess if you had huge ears, well, I'd say cover them up, but I don't think you do. All right. Okay, perfect. Good, good, good. All right, turn the other way, all the way that way. Oh. Okay. So now I'm going to get some 3/4 All right. Okay. Perfect. And then alternate the hands a little bit. Yeah. And give me a little bit of part the lips, just a little bit. Yeah. There you go. Perfect. All right, turn that way for me. Yeah. Perfect. And then turn this way for me. You know, I should have probably done this when you were doing this the first time and just zoomed in, but it's all right. So I want to get, you know, all the way to the side. I want to see the side of your face profile. There you go. Just like that. We got ears. No ears, no ears. Let's do no ears. No ears. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah, good. And then turn the other way for me. Okay. Do a, raise his hand up just a little bit so I can turn to the side. That's what I like, yeah. All the way to the side, looking, there you go, just like that. And do the same thing the other way. I want that, I like that hand in the pocket, yep. There you go. I like that better. All right, let me get some head and shoulders. All right. So I'm gonna have you, Veronica, you don't need to hold this up. You can just, yeah.
I'm ready.
And I'm gonna come right here. Okay. And then part the lips a little bit more, just breathe through the mouth, yeah. And then turn that way for me. Squint just a little bit. The squint and the smize. Much better. Think about biting into that big bite of angel hair pasta.
Oh my, you just make me laugh, bro.
The chicken Alfredo.
Oh yeah.
See how they'll go to the last one? It's a little smile, but it's not, you know. So you need to like have that in your eyes, but not in your mouth.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? That's what you gotta work on. You see what I'm saying? And then turn face towards the camera. Yeah. Okay. So you want to put the hair up?
Yeah. Or you can even hold it in the ponytail.
Yeah. I'm trying to think, did I miss anything for digital?
You got the full body. Oh, look at you tearing your own
This,
paper.
I'm only continuing what you started.
Oh.
As I, actually, maybe I did that.